Did you know that the top 10 Lofi music channels on YouTube garner a whopping 50 million views per month? There's no denying it. Lofi music is surging in popularity. This genre, with its calming beats and soothing melodies, has become an oasis for those seeking relaxation amidst their hectic routines. Whether it's studying for a test, grinding through a workday, or simply winding down, Lofi music is there providing the perfect soundtrack. The demand for Lofi music is high, and creating a Lofi music channel can be a rewarding venture. Lofi, short for low fidelity, is all about imperfections in the music, which creates its unique charm. It's like a beautifully worn book, where each crease and tear adds to its character. Now let's dive into Lofi's defining characteristics. Firstly, the use of ambient sounds. These are the background noises that help to create a specific mood or atmosphere. It could be the sound of rain, the hum of a city, or even the rustling of leaves. These sounds transport the listener into a different world, adding a layer of depth to the music. Secondly, simplicity is key in Lofi. It's not about complex arrangements or intricate melodies. Instead, it's about creating a soothing, repetitive rhythm that allows the listener to relax and unwind. Lastly, the raw, unpolished sound quality. This is what gives Lofi its distinctive, homemade feel. It's like listening to a demo tape, where every crackle and hiss is part of the experience. To create a successful Lofi channel, it's crucial to understand and embrace these unique characteristics. Creating Lofi music might seem daunting, but with the right tools and mindset, you can craft your unique sound. To begin your journey, you'll need a few basic tools. A digital audio workstation, or DAW, is your first step. This is where you'll compose and mix your tracks. There are plenty of options, from Ableton Live to GarageBand, so choose one that suits your needs. Next up are synthesizers and samplers. Synthesizers generate electronic sounds, while samplers let you record and manipulate real-world sounds. These tools are key for crafting your unique Lofi sound. But remember, Lofi music isn't just about the tools. It's about experimenting with sounds, from the hum of a refrigerator to the rhythm of raindrops. It's about creating a unique style that resonates with you. So don't be afraid to play around, try new things, and truly make the music your own. Remember, the beauty of lo-fi lies in its imperfections, so don't be afraid to experiment and find your unique sound. As we venture into the world of Lofi music creation and sharing, it's essential to remember the power of connectivity. Your audience is not just a number, they are individuals who appreciate the unique soundscape you provide. This takes us to an important part of your YouTube journey: engaging with your audience. On the screen now, you will see a subscribe sticker. Clicking on this will ensure that you are part of our growing Lofi community and will keep you updated with our latest tracks and happenings. In doing so, you not only support our channel but also encourage us to continue creating and sharing more of the lo-fi music you love. But engagement doesn't stop there. We encourage you to leave comments, share your thoughts about our music, and even suggest themes or sounds you'd like us to explore. This is a two-way journey, and your input is invaluable in shaping the direction of our music and channel. So, go ahead, click on that subscribe button, join the conversation, and let's continue this Lofi journey together. Now that you've created your Lofi music, it's time to share it with the world through your own YouTube channel. Sharing your music with the world is a journey that begins with setting up your channel. The first step? Choosing a unique name that embodies your music's vibe and your personal style. This name is your channel's identity. Make it count. Next, craft an engaging channel description. This is your chance to tell your audience who you are, what your music is about, and why they should subscribe. Keep it concise, compelling, and true to your Lofi spirit. Now let's talk about your channel banner. This is the first visual element that visitors to your channel will see. Make sure it's appealing, high quality, and reflective of your Lofi aesthetic. It's your channel's first impression, so let it be a good one. Once your channel is set up, consistency is key. Regularly posting new tracks will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. But remember, quality should never be sacrificed for quantity. Engage with your community, respond to comments, collaborate with other lo-fi artists, and listen to what your audience wants. This interaction can be a goldmine for inspiration and growth. Promote your channel, share your videos on social media, collaborate with other artists, and encourage your audience to spread the word. The more exposure, the better. With consistency, creativity, and community engagement, your Lofi channel can grow and reach millions of Lofi music lovers around the world. Creating a Lofi channel on YouTube can be a rewarding journey, blending creativity and community. We've journeyed together through the captivating world of Lofi music. We've explored its unique aesthetic, a dreamy blend of nostalgia and simplicity that invites listeners to unwind and escape. We've also delved into the creation of Lofi music, a process that encourages you to embrace imperfections and create a soothing, tranquil vibe. From the selection of your beats to the blending of ambient sounds, every decision contributes to the overall mood of your track. Moving on, we've discussed how to build your Lofi channel on YouTube, from designing your channel's aesthetic to engaging with your community. It's about creating a space that resonates with your audience, a haven for those seeking relaxation and peace amidst the noise of everyday life. Remember, lo-fi music is all about embracing imperfections and creating a relaxing vibe. So, tune into the rhythm of lo-fi and start your creative journey today.